How to purchase additional storage on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail. Now go to the top here and click on this settings option. Click on see all settings. Now go to accounts and import option, and on this page you will find add additional storage, and go to purchase additional storage option right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now choose the plan that you want to buy. You have 15 gigabyte, 100 gigabyte, or even 2 terabytes. Choose the one that you want and click on it, and you will be able to pay easy and fast. As you can see, now add your credit card from here and pay it easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.